Hello, I'm going to show you how you can utilize our pack level actor prefabs to make your own gas stations in a matter of minutes. Duplicate one of the existing prefabs and break the level actor instance. Do not worry, this only unpacks it without altering the other pack level actor prefabs, including the original of the duplication. Now you can add, delete, and alter it as you see fit. Once you are finished with your new prefab, select all the assets. Make sure nothing else is selected by using the world outliner. Once you've made sure you have nothing but the gas station selected, go ahead and convert the static meshes into a pack level actor. If your gas station contains your own blueprints from a third-party asset pack, or light actors, then pack it into a level instance instead. Pack level actors do not support dynamic actors. After your gas station has been packed into level instance actor, you can then decorate it with decals to break up the repetition and give it a unique look. We have a couple of decal actors you can use out of the box, however this works with any other decal actor, whether it's from the asset store or from Megascans. In case something went wrong or the decals look weird on a certain asset or surface, you can always go back and edit the pack level actor files and make the necessary changes. You can disable decal projections, shadow casting, collisions, anything like that if it was just a normal static mesh actor. The pack level actors will adapt to these changes and apply the adjustments. If you have multiple gas stations that reference the same pack level actor, then the changes will apply to those as well, but will not affect any of the others. A quick note. If the pack level actor doesn't load properly after being edited, don't worry, give it a wiggle to refresh it and it will recompile.